Hi students, problem number 14. A series resonant LCR circuit has L equal to 2 Henry, C equal to 32 microfarad and R equal to 10 ohm. The Q value of the circuit has to be determined. Yes, we have studied in the theory class. What is quality factor? The sharpness of resonance is called as quality factor. So it is merely a number. Is it not up to 100? 10 to 100 it is a number. So it is given by 2-3 different expressions we are having, but out of the given values we have to relate. So Q factor is equal to 1 by R into square root of L by C. This is the expression we have to use now. So what are the given values? I am going to substitute. So Q is now equal to 1 by, resistance is 10 ohm. So this is 1 by 10 inside the square root. L is equal to 2 Henry. So this is 2 divided by capacitance is what? 32 microfarad. So this is 32 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, this is now equal to what? 1 by 10 into square root. Now this 2 by 32. 32 if you divide by 2 means 16. So it will become 1 by 16. So this is 1 by 16 into 10 power minus 6. Once again I am rewriting this by shifting the 10 powers to the numerator. So this is 10 power plus 6 divided by 16. So both are square numbers, is it not? 10 power 6 if you take square root means it is 10 power 3. 16, root of 16 is 4. Therefore now Q factor is equal to 1 by 10 into 10 power 3 divided by 4. Okay, now you cut this 10 with this 10 power 3. It will become 10 square. So this is equal to 100 by 4. This is equal to 25. Therefore, quality factor Q is found to be equal to 25. This is the answer. So option A itself is the right answer. So option A is the correct answer. So such easy substitution type of problems also will be asked in the NEET and JEE. So we must remember thoroughly the expression for the Q factor in terms of R, L and C. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.